This is my pepper light reserve. I could not make it to the reserve clinic, and I realized that I have to repack it by myself. And according to the manual, you need two guys to hold the line and check the lines. But I'm one guy operation, and I had to build some contraptions. That's the reason I'm making this video. So I built some sort of a line spacers that keeps my lines parallel, because I'm going to not only check the lines, but I'm going to redo this area. I took all these lines out, and now I have to do it in proper order. So I built this line spacer. This is my apex lines, then the 7 lines from one side, 7 lines from the other side, and also I have this device. At the end I'm going to wrap my lines around this bolt. The distance between the bolts is equal to my reserve bag, and I folded these ones properly. You can use a cool device, which is your broom stick, in order to properly fold this thing inside. So you got the idea. So you fold it here, and the apex here you have to insert the broom stick on the other side, so it's going to be a triangle here. So it's not big of a deal of repacking, but I rather pay someone to do it. So that's my task for tonight.